In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a snapshot in GoHighLevel. A snapshot is a reusable package of assets from a sub-account. Things like workflows, funnels, forms, pipelines, calendars, and more. So you can duplicate a proven setup into new sub-accounts in just a few clicks. It's ideal for agencies standardizing their build-outs, or for anyone who wants a fast, consistent way to deploy the same assets across multiple clients. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage sub-accounts and snapshots. If you're part of an agency, you'll want to work from the top level so you can see all your sub-accounts and tools. Next, switch to Agency View. Look for the account switcher at the top of the interface and choose the agency level view. This ensures you have access to the snapshot controls and the full list of sub-accounts to copy from. Now go to Account Snapshots. From the agency area, open the Snapshot section. This is the hub where you create, manage, and share your snapshots. Click Create Snapshot. Before we proceed, here's a quick refresher. A snapshot captures selected assets from a specific sub-account at a point in time. It doesn't include things like user passwords or private credentials, and certain integrations may need to be reconnected later. Think of it as a clean, portable template you can apply again and again. Type in a clear and descriptive snapshot name. A good convention is to include the client or use case, plus a version number, like Real Estate Onboarding v1.2. This makes updates and rollbacks much easier down the road. Select a sub-account to copy from. Choose the specific sub-account that already has the funnels, automations, and other items you want to package. I'll pick a sample sub-account for this demonstration, but you should choose the one that contains your finalized, tested assets. Click Next to move forward. Now select the assets to include. In this example, we'll select all assets to capture the complete build. You can also be selective if you only need certain components, maybe just workflows and forms, or just funnels and calendars. As a tip, double-check anything that may rely on external connections. Email providers, phone systems, and custom integrations may require reconfiguration after you deploy the snapshot. Finally, click Create. GoHighLevel will compile your snapshot. Once it's ready, you can apply it when creating new sub-accounts, update existing ones, or share it with others as needed. That's it. Simple, fast, and consistent. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more,